I'm back and we're still building horse jumps. So far we have built some tall wing standards behind me, and we've built some tall flower boxes, and now I thought it was time to show you how I build gates like this one for your horse jump. Pretty fun. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, horse jump building, welcome. So laid out in front of me is a beautiful gate that I made to go with our wing standards for our hunter jump that we're building. Gates are really fun to build. Gates are very simple to build. That's why I wanted to share that with you guys. And basically all you need to build this gate is 2 2x4s and 3 pieces of 1x4 inch wood. That's what this is in between. That's all you'll need, and some screws. The tools that you'll need are an orbital sander, a circular saw, an 18-volt drill, a drill bit, some sandpaper, and some stain if you want to stain it, or primer paint and paint. Thanks to the magic of video, this is the finished product. So how about I take you back to the beginning when I had only raw lumber and I decided to make a gate. So let's go make a gate for a horse jump.
All right, so you'll need 2 2x4s for the frame of your gate. And on the lower 2x4, this is going to be the bottom of your gate. So you want to cut off a section of the 2x4. For mine, I'm cutting off 1 foot. So on either side, it'll be 6 inches. And then you have to determine how long you want your center pickets to be. So for mine, I'm going to make them 12 inches long. And I had a bunch of 1x4 lumber that was left over, so I just was using my scraps. Then it's time to cut the wood. So first I cut the 1x4 lumber. And then I cut the 2x4. And after I have all of my lumber cut, then it's time to sand. It can be really enticing to just go ahead and assemble your gate, but then you're going to have lots of splintery pieces of wood. So I really encourage you to do the sanding before you assemble your gate. All the little pieces too, front and back, and all of the little sides. So we're going to begin assembling the gate by making the frame first. And you want to measure about how far your bottom piece of 2x4 wood is going to be. So the top piece is going to be the part that sits in the jump cup. That's why we made the second 2x4, or the bottom of the gate, it's actually shorter. And once you're pretty sure of where your bottom 2x4 is going to be laying, it's time to connect the side pieces. And these 1x4 side pieces, they finish the frame of your gate. And once you're happy with where your side pieces are, go ahead and drill a starter hole for where you're going to be attaching the wood with screws. Here I did 4. You don't need to do 4. You can do 1 starter hole or 1 screw on the top and 1 screw on the bottom of the little 1x4 pieces of wood. And once you've got your 1x4s attached to the outer frame, then you're just going to arrange the remaining 1x4s in the interior of the gate. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can make them as wide or as close together as you want. I just want to make sure that my horse isn't going to potentially get his foot caught in there, so that's why I try to keep them close enough together that a horse could not catch their hoof in the gate. And after you've pre-drilled all the holes, go ahead and attach the 1x4s with screws to the gate. And this is the gate flipped over, so this is the side that will be on the front of the jump. And after we have it all assembled, then it's time to stain it or to prime it and then paint it. I chose to stain my gate so that it'll match the wings that we've already made. And I also am going to do that with the tall flower boxes that I made. When you're painting, it's easiest if you have sawhorses or something that you can lift the gate up off of the ground. If you're worried about your floor, I'd encourage you to put a tarp down because painting gets messy, as you can see from my sawhorses. And once the front of the gate is dry, then go ahead and flip it over and finish painting the back of your gate. And once I've completely painted the back of the gate, I do like to flip the gate up and make sure that I didn't miss any spots so that it's just perfect and beautiful.
And now we have the finished gate. Wasn't that easy? It was so simple, in my opinion, but I think it's because I've done a lot of these gates. But you can build gates for any type of horse jumps, even if it's just for schooling at home, whatever you want to use it for. Gates are very affordable to build. This one cost me about $15.80 to build. That's pretty good. And I did it in about 2 hours. That doesn't include the drying time for the stain to dry on the gate. $15.80 for a really nice filler for your jump. Or if you wanted to, you can go buy them ready-made and they will run you about $120. That's for the low-end ones I found, and it doesn't include shipping. So $15.80 or $120 for one you don't have to do anything with. I'll build one for $15.80. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture. At the end of this video, you can subscribe to my channel and watch lots of jump building going on. Again, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.